Alright guys, it is Thursday, February 20th, 2025. Just picked up a Gerber Viper water closet. Got a customer in Millbury, Massachusetts that replaced the toilet there last April. Same thing, had something stuck in the toilet, couldn't get it out. So we're going with anticipation of replacing this toilet. We'll try to auger it first, but chances are it's going to get a replacement. So see you when we get there. I'll try to get some shots and some video, and just starting this YouTube thing out. Had it a few years, gave it a shot a while ago, trying it again. But also do plow videos and plumbing. Also a Massachusetts plumbing and gas inspector. So I stay pretty busy, but I'll see you when we get there. All right? Talk to you after. Bye. Oh no, not at all. Not at all. Alrighty. Alright, so she dropped her dentures in there. Another plumber was here, couldn't get it out. We replaced the toilet last year. They really liked us, so they called us to come do it. So here we are. We're just gonna swap it out. little frozen. All right. Set fast anyway. Never use the one with the horn. You ever gotta auger a toilet? I've had it happen numerous times. You catch it, flip it, and continue to with the clog. So, no horn for me. Trash. Toilet together. Let's clean this up after. I could see him in there when I flipped it over. Jammed in there. Yep. Yeah, I didn't think you wanted him back. Yeah. Yeah, we did actually this year so far. Yeah. early too. I mean, the biggest ones were in December, the freeze ups. Yeah. 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 Luckily, I have a thawing machine, which helps. So if you can get to, say you can hook up the machine here on the supply line, say it's over here. If I can hook it up to the supply line and hook it up somewhere further down the line, it'll melt everything in between. Yeah, it's quite the machine. Works well. Alrighty. Alrighty. Yep. Yep. So I also plow where I live, and one of my good customers called. Well, I was going to go around and try to do some salting, but don't have a lot left because you can't find it. And I got a buddy that was letting me get some, and when I needed it, but I ended up having one customer. She said the same thing. She said, I've been stuck at home since Sunday because I couldn't get out because my garage door's been stuck.
Finally, he got my bay open, so he took
Yep.
my car work.
So I went over and I put some salt down on that and chiseled out her door.
I was chiseling 2 days out.
Yeah, so that she could get. The key is you got to have like a hard shovel like you'd use outside in the garden. That's what I used.
What I was using, I feel like I'm a lumberjack lady.
Yeah.
He had something you tamp down, use it for tamping down posts or.
Yep.
It's big, heavy looking hammer.
Yeah.
I got strength in my
Yeah.
body, so I just kept dropping it, lifting it 6 inches.
Yeah.
Dropping it, finally shattered it.
Yeah.
Enough to push it.
I had a actual like round shovel in the truck. And that's what I did. I just chiseled with it.
Yeah.
And I was able to get the ice off.
I've lived in that house in Dudley for 20 years.
Oh, you're in Dudley? I'm in Southbridge.
Oh, okay.
That's where I'm from.
Yeah, okay, well, good to know.
I'll give you a card before I go.
Yeah, please do. But at any rate, I've never seen that in 20 years.
No.
God, that's just love though.
I can remember a storm as a kid. We used to do cleanups like that with my grandfather when I was a kid.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'm 54.
Yeah.
And I can remember that back when I was probably 8 or 9 years old, where we had a lot of ice like that, like this year.
Yeah.
One year, and the driveways were a total disaster. This was just crazy this year.
The way it melted a little and
Yep.
it freezes and everything stuck to it.
Yep. I'm ready for it to be over, and I make money doing it.
We went away, we were in Warsaw for a week.
Yep.
We actually cut the trip short by a day because I said they're going to get a storm on Saturday. We're flying in.
Yeah.
And when we got back, then it all happened. So,
Yep.
just in time.
Yep.
That was something else. Oh, God. Landing in ice and snow.
Wow.
All right. Yep.
Well, you know, a lot of these air accidents, there are female pilots nowadays. And, I think they've been in a couple of those. They have got, I don't know either, CPA, you know.
this side up. Get a couple shapes. No shims needed. Had them just in case. Supply line was changed less than a year ago when we did the shut off in another toilet. No, it wasn't bad. When you've been doing this 42 years, it's, you know, it's like riding a bicycle. 12 and a half years old I started. My grandfather worked for the Boston Gas and knew everybody. At 12 and a half, he used to get in the truck and take me for a ride. He took me to Blanchettes in Southbridge and told Paul, who was a good friend of his, the family. He said, my grandson needs a job, he needs to be a plumber. Put him to work. I went to trade school, and honestly, when I went through trade school and got all the 7 and 7, I went to Bay Path, and my dad looked at me. My dad was a real SOB. He was tough. He looked at me and said, you got all the points, you're going to be a plumber, right? I said, no, you know what, I really like to cook, I think I'm going to take culinary. He said, you take culinary, and I'll put your dumb ass back at Southbridge High. And that's the end of that. I don't want to hear another word about it.
You know, he knew, because you go culinary. I have a friend who's married to a chef.
Yeah.
You get out of it.
It's a rough life.
He's never home.
You know, hindsight now that I'm 54, I look back at it, I say, yeah, he did the right thing. He just was a bull in a china shop. He just didn't know how to talk. He just was, it was my way, the highway, and if you don't like it, I'll beat you up. Yeah. No, that's what his parents weren't together. It was rough. So, I just want to show you something real quick.